Welcome to Oriental Public School Preschool Learning Videos.
Learn alphabet stands for what? Guess the correct answer in 5 seconds. A stands for apple. B stands for banana. C stands for cat. D stands for dog. E stands for elephant. F stands for fish. G stands for giraffe. H stands for heart. I stands for ice cream. J stands for jellyfish. K stands for kite. L stands for lion. M stands for moon. N stands for nest. O stands for octopus. P stands for penguin. Q stands for queen. R stands for rainbow. S stands for sun. T stands for tree. U stands for umbrella. V stands for volcano. W stands for watermelon. X stands for xylophone. Y stands for yacht. Z stands for zebra.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.